Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you an amazing photo transformation using PhotoRoom and Adobe Lightroom. Let's dive into the before and after journey. First, open PhotoRoom on your device. Import the photo you want to work on into the app. Watch as PhotoRoom magically removes the background, keeping the main subject in focus. It's incredibly easy. Review the edited image carefully. If there are any parts that need adjustments, you can delete or restore them to perfection. Once you're happy with the edits, confirm the changes. Choose the transparent option to maintain the removed background. Next, tap on the background option. Select a new background that suits your photo and save the edited image with the new background. Now, let's switch to Adobe Lightroom. Open the app on your device and import the photo we just edited in PhotoRoom. Start by adjusting the exposure, contrast, highlights, shadows, whites, and blacks to get the lighting just right. Then, tweak the temperature, tint, vibrance, and saturation to make the colors pop. Fine-tune the hue, saturation, and luminance for more precise color control. Move on to color grading. Adjust the shadows, luminance, blending, and balance for a polished look. Make further refinements with curve adjustments, focusing on the blue, green, red, and white channels. Choose the Modern 3 profile and set the amount to 138. Adjust the texture, clarity, and dehaze settings as needed. Fine-tune the vignette amount, midpoint, feather, roundness, and highlights for a professional touch. Use the masking tool for selective adjustments. Modify exposure and saturation. And use a brush to add colors where necessary. Use retouching tools to remove spots, blemishes, or any other imperfections. Finally, once you're satisfied with all the adjustments, export your photo. And there you have it! A stunning transformation using PhotoRoom and Adobe Lightroom. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like, comment, and subscribe for more photo editing tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.